Hello, in this video I want to show you how to format SD card on Motorola MDC camera. So first of all, you will need to get the SD card plugged in. You can check our previous video on how to do it. Now let's click on the left button. Right here you can see main settings. Scroll down using up and down buttons and enter fourth page in the format on the bottom. Click on OK and it will ask you if you're sure that you want to delete all data from the SD card. Then navigate using the up and down button again to the OK and click on OK. It will proceed with the format. It may take some time, and when it's ready you should go back to this screen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.